We are always privileged having you around. So you're formally welcome to Kwambosco's Electrical Solution page. So as the name sounds, Kwambosco Electrical Solution. So what we do is we give all electrical fault solutions. If you have any electrical issue that has been giving you headache, all you need to do is just to call us and we'll get to your service. So now, that being said, I'll be taking you through the process of how we install this parapet running light. So I know most of you will be wondering, if you are new to this, you'll be wondering what kind of lighting system
300
is this?
straight.
This lighting
Wait,
system is
this is
called
this is what we
profile
call direct
lighting
power.
system. And now this profile lighting system, as
So
you can see, these are profile where the lights are being installed in.
this
You
is it.
understand? So where the light are being installed in, no, this video, this
This is what we
installation
call
required
profile.
us to use this kind of profile. Though we have varieties of profiles, so depending on the installation you are embarking on. So it is the kind of installation you are doing that would determine the kind of profile you will use. So that being said, this lighting system is a DC lighting system, meaning it is a low voltage lighting system. Low voltage in the sense that it doesn't require high voltage, else the light will get damaged. So that being said, let me break this down. High voltage is the AC current we use, alternative current, while the low voltage is a DC. You understand? So this lighting system requires a 24 volt, though we have the ones that requires a 12 volt. So before you install it, all you need to do is just to check
Living
the
my
kind of
best
voltage the
life.
light requires, the one you are installing requires. Else you will get the installation ruined.
All my niggas
So
doing
that's it. As you
warrior.
can see, this
Motherfucker.
it requires a choke, a profile, the light, and of course the sensor that helps signal the light on how it will move. So that's it. And one good thing about this lighting system is you can control its mode. You can control how it moves. You can control how, if you want it to be steady, just like the edge of the wall you're seeing there, that one is just steady. If you want it to be steady without running like this, you can control it with the help of the remote. You understand? As I earlier stated, that this is a low voltage current, meaning if you connect it directly to your AC current, it will get it automatically damaged. So that's why when you're about to install it, make sure you seek for professional guidance so you don't get it spoiled. So this is it. This one is steady. Just leave it like that. Look at how beautiful it is. So if you watch this video up to this moment, why don't you click that like button or comment your thought? And if you are yet to follow us, you are watching this on YouTube, if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, just click it. It doesn't cost a dime. It doesn't cost a cent. So if you are watching this on Facebook, click the follow button as well. And don't forget to share so your friends will get acquainted to the video, will get to see the video and get acquainted to it and learn new ideas as well. So that being said, this lighting system, we are common with generator and grid power supply. You understand? So all these generate 220 volt, 240, as the case may be, depending on the country where you are located in, 120 as well. So, but this lighting system is a DC. So you really need something, a choke that will help convert the AC current to DC in order for it to light up. So thank you. We are glad again having you around. So thank you for watching and God bless you. Click that subscribe button.